Nuclear Radiation Unit 20 Physics Class 12. Question 1. What type of radiation has the least penetrating power? Answer: alpha rays. Question 2. Which radiation is the most energizing? Answer: alpha rays. Question 3. What is the charge on an alpha particle? Answer: +2. Question 4. Which particle is deflected the most in an electric field? Answer: beta particles. Question 5. Which radiation is electromagnetic in neutrons? Answer: gamma rays. Question 6. What is the simplest way to test for the presence of radiation? Answer: Geiger-Müller counters. Question 7. Why is lead a better shade for gamma rays than water? Answer: it has a higher density. Question 8. How do gamma rays produce ionization? Answer: by the photoelectric effect. Question 9. Why are neutron poret producing ionization? Answer: they are uncharged. Question 10. What is the path of a beta particle in a cold chamber? Answer: then and broken. Question 11. What is nuclear radiation? Answer: electromagnetic waves from a nucleus. Question 11. Question 12. Which type of radiation consists of high energy electrons? Answer: beta. Question 13. What is the charge of alpha particles? Answer: positive. Question 14. Gamma radiation is a type of. Answer: electromagnetic radiation. Question 15. What blows alpha particles? Answer: paper. Question 16. What is the main source of natural radiation on Earth? Answer: uranium decay. Question 17. Which radiation is the most penetrating? Answer: gamma. Question 18. Which decay detect nuclear radiation? Answer: Geiger counter. Question 19. What material can block gamma radiation effectively? Answer: lead. Question 20. What is background radiation? Answer: radiation from natural and artificial sources. Question 21. What is the primary danger of ionizing radiation? Answer: DNA damage. Question 22. What type of radiation is used in cancer treatment? Answer: gamma. Question 22. What is the process of nuclear fusion? Answer: combining nuclei. Question 24. Which is a non-ionizing radiation? Answer: infrared. Question 25. What is used to measure radioactivity decay? Answer: curie. Question 26. What is the speed of gamma radiation? Answer: speed of light. Question 27. Which particle has no mass and no charge? Answer: gamma. Question 28. Which unit measures radioactivity? Answer: becquerel. Question 29. Which radiation poses the least danger outside the body? Answer: alpha. Question 30. Which particles has the highest speed? Answer gamma rays.